If you're a beginner guitar player and you search the internet, you search YouTube, you'll find a plethora of videos, on my channel included, that say hack, guitar hack for this, hack for that. Let's talk about what a hack is. It's not a magic pill, right? But I think that's the illusion. We all want things to be easy. And the truth of the matter is, guitar playing is not easy. If it were, everyone would play and it wouldn't be special. You know, there is some level of difficulty to anything. There's a scarcity to anything that's valued, right? But on the same token, it's not impossible, and learning the fundamentals, I argue, is easier than you might think. So when I and others say a hack, it doesn't mean do this one thing for 5 minutes and you're going to be Eddie Van Halen. That's crap, man. Like, don't believe anybody who says that, myself included. What I mean when I say hack, have you ever taken on a task that you've never done before? A new job, you know, where you have new responsibilities and you're doing the thing and you're successful at it and you're doing it, you're accomplishing the goal. But then as you do it, and as time goes on, you start to realize, man, there's a more efficient way to do this. Like I'm kind of going about this the hard way, you know? I always say to myself, I joke when I catch myself doing something that's more difficult, I'm like, make it easier on yourself, Brandon, you know? Try to make it easier, make life a little easier on yourself. I'm still doing it, I'm still accomplishing it, but there's just a more efficient way to do it. And, maybe I could have gotten here faster had I done it this way versus that way. We do this in life every day, whether it's yard work or whatever, you know. I'm putting mulch around trees, and, you know, and there's a way to use my truck and the wheelbarrow in a really efficient way. Or, you know, I could haul back and forth loads with a wheelbarrow from a set spot far away. You know, we do it every day. We find efficiencies, and that's what a hack is. It's not a magic pill. It's not a magic bullet. But from someone who has done the thing the hard way and learned the hard way, you don't have to take that path. We still get to the same destination. I can still teach you, because even though I did it for years the wrong way, the hard way, I still play guitar. I still got there. But hey, you don't want to spend 10 years learning the fundamentals? Learn from my mistakes. That's what a hack is. If any of you guys are Mac users, if you've ever bought a Mac, or even going from, say, an Android phone to an iPhone, everything's kind of backwards. It's different. You know, with a Mac, there is no Control-Alt-Delete. Okay, that's not a thing. Some of the keys are different, right? Apple always prided itself in user-friendliness, right? Our products are so user-friendly, we don't even give you an owner's manual when you buy a Mac computer. It's a quick start sheet. It's a one-page, it folds out. The truth is, there is an owner's manual. It's online, right? The irony is you have to get the computer up and going to read the owner's manual, but this is all part of their marketing process. And I will argue that once you kind of learn the language, Macs are more user-friendly, especially with creative endeavors, right? At least they used to be. I don't know. I haven't used a PC in a while. But that quick start guide will get you going. That's what, to me, a hack is. This is what I teach with the course and in my lessons on YouTube. You know, I'll show you a way to quick start, you know, easy chords. So theoretically, you could start playing a song and you're not even having to get your fingers hurting on your ring and pinky finger yet. That's a hack. That's a quick start. It's not a cure-all. You still have to have the guitar in your hand. You still have to put the work in. There's just a more efficient way to do it. So this is just a clarifying video. If you're looking for just an easy fix in 5 minutes a day and you're going to be a virtuoso, that's just not going to happen, and you're going to waste more time trying to do that than actually buckling down, putting the guitar in your hands, learning some real hacks, and getting down the road a lot faster.